Okay, I did replace this door down here, right here. That's an interior door, and it's coming apart. There you can see where it's separated there and here, and there's different pieces that have come off of it. So this one is a old-fashioned screen door, and it's painted. So we're gonna try to restore it. I did put on different hinges, and I also cut it down. It was 34 inches in width from here over to here, and I cut it down to 32. So now I put on this latch, I'm reusing this also because it's an old screen door latch. Okay, when I close this, the edge of this latch is 3/4 of an inch from this edge right here. And so I want this thing here, this is the latch that I'm going to use, and I want it so that this edge right here is 3/4 of an inch from this edge here. And so what I did was I put it up here, and this is the center right here of that latch. Right there, this kerf that I made earlier is at the center. Now I did have this on the inside, which normally that's how you do it. But the knob is so big that I tried to mortise this out, but it's just too big. So I decided to make my life easier and instead reverse it like this. So now I put this up here. Okay, now I'm going to mortise out this area here, here, and this area in here. Basically create a mortise. Now to create a mortise, you take, this is a 1/2 inch chisel. This is my favorite chisel. And I took sandpaper, put it on a piece of glass, and then got this edge so that it was extremely sharp. So you come down to the bottom and start making your mortise. And you use the flat part on the bottom and at the top up here. And then here's the sides. And you use, again, the flat part on the edge, that's on the outside of this latch. And the latch is going to go on something like this. So you just keep mortising it out, little by little. Okay, now I've got it to where it looks like it might be okay. So now I'm going to take some of the screws that came with it and try those. Before you start painting, make sure that you tighten the screws and check the door to make sure that it closes and opens fine.